Hey everyone, on today's video I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to vectorize a PNG image in Photopea. So first we're going to go to our browser. You guys could use any browsers you want. So we're going to search in photopea.com, which is their official website. So as you can see, once we go to their page, we're going to select open from computer. Then we're going to choose a file that we want to vectorize. Then I chose a file with the PNG format. Then once that's done, we're going to go to image. Then we're going to select vectorize bitmap. So this is the image it's going to generate for us. So there are different options you could choose, from merge colors to reduce noise. Then once you're done, we're going to click OK. So now this is the final version of the image we want. So we're going to click in File. So now we're going to export. So we're going to click export as, then a SVG format. Then once we see all the options are correct, we're going to click save, then download. So this is the final version. Subscribe for more. Thank you guys. I'll see you again.